2007 Lexus RX350, 2007 North American specification, '07 Lexus RX350. And the project at hand is we have a flashing orange light on the AC button within the center console inside the vehicle, and I believe it's because the AC relay has gone bad. The magnetic clutch AC relay has gone bad, I think. Anyway, this is on the driver's side of the engine bay. There are no relays in here, in that fuse box, right? Driver's side. I do not see the relay in the black box underneath there, right? You see that black box where some other relays are? I don't see the relay in there. I thought it would be labeled MG for magnetic, CLT perhaps for clutch. I don't see any relay labeled AC. So, next step, someone on the interweb said that you need to take the front of this black box off. I believe that's called JB2 for junction box 2, and here is the front that I've removed, and I was hoping that I would be able to see the relay quite easily somewhere. I carefully took this entire thing off, carefully unplugged everything, and very carefully took off this black cover there, and the only thing that black cover is doing is covering the actual printed circuit board. I did not touch it with any tool or finger, right? Let me explain how this came off, just in case. So what you do, you have two bolts. Let me get a screwdriver to point to them. 10mm bolts, one there, okay, and one 4 inches down there. They're quite easy to get to. And you have another one back there, right? All of them are the same size, and they are, excuse me, this size here. All right, little bolts, 10mm hex head. All three of those are the same. And then what you do, from the top here, you have two bolts. Again, these are 10mm, and they're kind of that size. All right, let me put those to one side. And then you have some clips. Now this sits around this. This is the top. That basically goes around there. All right, the wider bit there is the top bit, and then you've got, you see that little clip there with a hole in it down the bottom there? You see that? So there's a clip down the bottom, this clip here that goes in there, and then you have three other clips. Top right side, one there, top left side, and bottom left side. So carefully pry those clips up, all right? And then they will sit on these little notches, one at the top left, bottom left, and then one just there. Now, once you have those bolts out, you can actually move this around enough. It's actually quite easy. Honestly, this is like a 2 out of 10 job. It isn't that difficult, but you're working with electrics, so you must disconnect the battery first. Obviously, I did that before opening up any of this. And then all of these connectors here, they go in the back of here. They're all a little bit different, but you should take some photos anyway. Okay, and one of them, I think it's this one here, doesn't have actually a connector in, but I took photos and took video as well. So look, because I cannot see the relay itself, I'm going to keep all of this disconnected, take this in the house. It's got various numbers and markings on it, right? I know this isn't very focused, but it's got various things printed on it there. So I'm going to research this, because maybe I need a whole new one of this. I hope not. It's probably expensive. Mostly black plastic here. So that's it. I'm going to make sure that I cover all of this, highly protect it with water. With a covering, just in case it rains. Plastic. But I'll go back into the house. I don't want to take this off and on and off too many times. So that's why I'll quickly research what this thing is and buy another one if necessary. But the mystery continues. This, I think, is actually perhaps video 3 of 3 at this point on this mysterious air conditioning relay. All right, thanks very much. Bye-bye.